Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Syslog server installation using Syslog in Kali Linux VM. For this demonstration, we are going to use VMware Fusion Pro for both GNS3 VM server as well as Kali Linux server, so that both VM would be under same bridged network. Now, let's go to Kali Linux VM and going to install Syslog service. For Kali Linux VM, let's use sudo apt install -y rsyslog. In this Linux VM, this service is already installed. Let's enable the service. Let's start this service. Let's see the status of this service. As you can already see, it's in active and running. Now let's go to etc rsyslog.conf file. In this file, we need to comment out total 4 lines, which is IAM UDP module and its port number, then IAM TCP module and its corresponding 514 port number, and save this file. Now let's see the IP address configuration of this Linux VM. As you can see, we are using 192.168.31.135/24 network for this Linux VM. Now let's see the topology setup in GNS3 server. We are using Cisco router R1, which is connected with cloud adapter. This way, this router is accessible from our host terminal, which is in this case Mac OS. Now let's open Mac OS terminal, and we already do the telnet to the router. Now let's see the IP address configuration for gig00 interface. As you can see, we already provide an IP address of the same network that our Kali Linux VM is. Now let's try to ping the IP address of our Linux server. As you can see, ping is successful, and that Linux server we are going to use for our Syslog server. Now let's do the necessary configuration in router so that it can send Syslog information to the Kali Linux VM. Let's go to the config terminal, login, then add Syslog server information, login, trap, all information. Now let's go to Linux and try to monitor barlog syslog file from here. Now let's try to create one syslog message by doing shut no shut of the interface. Let's do for gig01, do no shut. As you can see, it's created link up down notification which we captured in our Syslog server. So this way we can use Syslog server to send Syslog information from our network device. I hope this information is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.